So I am the A bowler of this block. We bowl 3 blocks. So everybody will be taking scores, since there are 3 a pair, but I will more than likely be taking scores the whole time, just to make it easier. Yeah, I don't know what, I'm glad I brought the camera, but I don't know why I just didn't even think about vlogging when we showed up. I guess we were running kind of late. We got Starbucks, showed up like 5 minutes before roll call. And yeah, we just kind of jumped right into it. So, crossing with Stephen Hahn and Kent Ames through the pitch black game 1. Weird. They're interesting though. Like, I feel like I gotta play the track, not like throw to the gutter. So, I'm glad I caught that early. Threw a late 5-bagger. All right. What's up?
234 to start with.
That's pretty good.
Yeah.
Nice. What are you throwing?
Motive purple tank.
That's a urethane ball ish, right?
Correct, yeah. Sorry, urethane.
Yeah, I was watching you balls, like maybe I should try to play there, because you had the nuts.
Got the hole a little bit.
It kind of worked. I like it. All right.
All right.
Thanks for the help.
You're welcome.
I'm pretty upset with that one. I got 227, but that left wing had a tight rack. Flat 10 twice. The first one I left, I missed. The guy called a blackout like right when I started my approach, so I balked. I didn't really fully reset. And mental lapse. So just a spare there for 220. All things considered, not the worst thing in the world, but it can be better. It can be better. Alright, I got 741 to start. The game was a little better, a little messy. It was a good pair, so I got away with a lot of bad shots. But this pair looks pretty good too. Game 4, I've got the front 3 so far. And I've thrown 3 pretty good ones, so I'm hoping the shot execution department gets a little bit better. Well, absolute worst case scenario happened. I thought urethane was going away, so I tried to catch one a little bit. It goes high, I kick the 6 out, leave the 3-9-10. So I thought that was pretty unlucky. I make the ball change to reactive, then I 4-9, then I make the move on the 4-9, I 4-10. The shot wasn't great, but still. Then I make another ball change, I strike, and then I leap one right, it hangs out there, and I 210 for 170. So that may have been one of the worst 5-frame stretches I've ever had in my life. So yeah, I'm pretty upset. That's just not okay. Made a good guess. Bailed out 190 that game. Left lane wasn't even close to the rest of the lanes we bowled on today. We just made too many wrong guesses. But finished the block 150 over. Not fantastic considering I was 200 over for 4 of my games, but any better?
212 clean to end the day. We're in the block.
Yeah, the day's not over yet.
We still got 14 to go.
Oh my god, we got 6 more today. Alright, yeah, we're going into round 2, the next 6-game block. We're on the burn. I'm in 4th place currently at 152 over. I'm like less than 10 pins behind 2nd, and I'm like 70 behind 1st. So we gotta come in here, make some big shots, some good shots, not big shots, make some good shots, and fill some frames, and don't split as much. The reactive balls have not been kind. Hopefully they'll be a little kinder. And I use them in the right places, because last block I was doing the wrong thing, so let's go. Alright, we finally found the ball that's given us enough free length to the front, and I had a little bit of left and right, so they both hit the pins absolutely disgusting. I made the YOLO ball change in the 2nd ball in the 10th, because I figured, you know, if I steal one in the 1st, okay, cool. If I don't, mark, I get a fill shot regardless. But I wanted to guarantee the fill shot, I needed to see it, and it showed me what I want to see, so hopefully we can take advantage here. 217 game 1, not the best, hit the pocket every shot, but yeah, I got 4 balls that don't look so good. Might need to make some surface adjustments before tomorrow. But yeah, we're sitting pretty now, let's go. Guys, I think I'm in 2nd. I'm not terribly happy with how the block ended. I thought I bowled a little better than what I scored. A little micromanaging, some mistakes there. Just not doing the right things at the right time. I feel like it was all a time and a place type deal. They got about 30-ish, 40 over the last 2 games. It wasn't huge, but the field didn't really do much either. I think I'm about 40 and change behind the lead. So we're gonna keep trying to chase that number 1 seed. We got the 355 over for 12 games today. We got 8 more tomorrow morning. Yeah, I know I'm in second, but it's really hard to be happy with how I bowled today. I missed a couple of spares, and this just didn't feel that good. Tomorrow's a new day. We'll make our adjustments and hopefully keep up with the transition and make our moves accordingly. That's what we're gonna do. That's what we're gonna do. We're gonna get it.